Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching this short video. Today I'm going to show you how to get a 10% coupon code for the Walabot stud finder. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the link below this video. To make it easier for you, I'll just leave the link. That link is going to redirect you to the Coupon Queso website where you're going to see this article right here. And what you want to look for is you want to look for this button right here, the one that says click for 10% coupon. Now when you click this button, it's going to redirect you to the Walabot website, and what you want to do then is you want to go back to the Coupon Queso website, grab that coupon code, copy it, and then you're going to put it in the cart once you add the Walabot to your cart. Now because that coupon can change from time to time, I'm not going to show you the coupon here, but rest assured that we're going to have the latest and working coupon, okay? So we're going to go down here, and it's up to you what you want to pick, the Walabot DIY or the Walabot DIY Plus. I'm going to click on Buy Now, and that's going to add this to cart. Now over here on the right side, you're going to see that it says $89.95. That's the cost of the Walabot DIY Plus. You're going to scroll down to this area here that says Enter Discount Code. Okay, so after you copy the code from couponqueso.com, you're going to come here and just paste that code. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and paste the code here, and I'm blurring it out due to the fact that this code can change from time to time. So what you have to do, remember, is go to Coupon Queso, and you're going to have the latest coupon code and the one that's working. So I'm going to leave this blurred just so that I don't give you the wrong information. Once you go ahead and paste your coupon code here, all you're going to do is hit apply, and you're going to see here that it says your coupon was successfully applied. And over here on the top, you're going to see that it's going to show you that 10% discount. So you can see right there, the price is normally $89.95. With the 10% discount, it's going to discount $9, and then the total would be $80.95. So that's all there's to it, guys. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to leave the link for Coupon Queso right below this video in the description and also in the comment section below. When you get to Coupon Queso, click that red button, and that's going to give you the latest and most up-to-date coupon code that you can use for the Walabot. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.